All right, welcome back, traders. Another live edition here. Your live stream here, hosted by Mr. Know-It-All. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. We're going to cover Bitcoin here for a little bit. I was getting some feedback from people that I don't cover the main asset here, Bitcoin, for long enough. So we're gonna cover Bitcoin here for a good 5-10 minutes. But yeah, I mean, just look, nice downsloping consolidation pattern that we broke out of, we back tested, and we rallied, right? So we're just now coming up to this area here. All right. Good morning. Good morning. We have SAR throwing us longs here on the 4-hour. We did come up to this resistance area here. We could get another back test, right? All right, we could pull back. Yo, what's up, guys? So yeah, man. I mean, we could see this come back down, 56, 57, and then continue higher. All right, we could get that. We could get a little rug pull here, but that would still be holding these lows, right? It would still be holding these lows. We could draw the demand line here if we were to get a pullback here. Let's take a look at the oscillators and see what they're suggesting. The oscillators are suggesting that the hourly is showing this divergence here on the oscillator, on the hourly. All right. The 4-hour isn't showing it as much here, but we're producing like less positive momentum. You can see it's sort of starting to wean off a bit, right? But we are in the 4-hour is above zero. We are above the bullish territory here. You can see, but then our RSI is topping out. We're starting to show this hidden bearish divergence. Okay, we're starting to show it. Okay. All right. I don't think people knew I was going live today, but yeah, I mean, the daily not so much. The daily isn't showing that, right? The daily will actually still coming out of this negative momentum for now. Yo, you guys think the 1-hour streams are too long? I want to hear the feedback. Some people are telling me 1-hour streams are too long. One hour is perfect, maybe, nope, just right. 1 hour is good. Okay, so the consensus here is that 1 hour is good. I will say that like there is probably like a big drop off rate. Like some people come on. The longer it is, the more things you cover, so no. Yeah, I mean, obviously, I'm going to cover more things, but... $45 minutes? Okay. I think 45 minutes to an hour is sufficient, right? Okay. Cool. Thanks for the feedback, guys. But yeah, the data basically telling me that the average watch time is like, I don't know, 8-9 minutes. So you guys really don't have a long attention span at all. Maybe not you guys per se, but I'm saying in general, right? So I just wanted to get some feedback from you guys here in the live chat. Anyways, I mean, we don't really have that many people on stream today, so I'm probably not going to do that long of a stream. So anyways, let's get to it. Bitcoin still looks okay on the daily. We're just about to cross back up here. We're coming out of this negative momentum. We're still showing this daily bullish divergence. It looks like we're going to maybe come back up at least to test the top at 60,270 here in some time, maybe within the next 8 to 12 hours. Okay. We did say the 4-hour and the hourly, the shorter time scale. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Like I said, the shorter time scales, wow. Crypto Greg, thank you so much for the $10 super chat, man. Greetings, Node. Take a look at Algo. Looks like a retest, and what are your thoughts? So, yeah, let's take a look at Algorand, but I wanted to just finish real quick on Bitcoin. So the 4-hour and the hourly chart are showing some bearish divergence. Like I said, we could see this back test, so it's probably something similar to what's happening on the Algorand chart as well, but we're going to take a look at that right now. I really do appreciate the $10 super chat, all right? Guys, we will get to your guys here, requests here in just 1 second. All right, so Algorand broke out of the channel. Also got towards the top of the red band area. If you guys aren't familiar with the RSI bands, these are an STP indicator that is pretty accurate in terms of giving I'll get my ear. It's pretty accurate in giving like tops and bottoms. So Algorand here is oh, thank you so much, man. I appreciate that. So Algorand could easily come back down to backtest this, right? And we come back down to backtest this channel before then rallying again, right? Because the daily, oh, this is the 8-hour, but yeah, the 8-hour is also pointed down. We can see that we're overbought. We're showing some bearish divergence here, right? You can see the divergence from this high. We made a lower high. Well, we technically made a lower high on price, so it's not really that bad of a it's not really a divergence because we didn't make a higher high on price with a lower high on the RSI. So no real divergence just yet, but we are coming towards an overbought area here on the 8-hour. All right, and the daily still has room to run, right, guys? So the daily can still run. We could just get a small pullback here within the next couple hours, and that's what we're probably going to see. We're probably going to see this back test. We might even make it like a cup pattern down here, like I drawn, maybe back down to 117 area, back test that, and then go higher. All right. So something along those lines where we make another higher low. All right. So look for that higher low if you're looking for a long opportunity right now. Probably just a waiting game, right? Ryan, they move together because institutions are actually moving them together. They're buying both of them up. They're accumulating most of those up. All right. So we're going to cover ETH here for Ryan. Ryan, thank you so much for the $5 super chat. Really appreciate that. All right. So ETH broke the resistance here. Had a nice rally. Okay. And we're getting close to this resistance again around this 1850 area. And we're probably already showing signs of maybe buyer exhaustion, which we are. We are showing signs of exhaustion, or not exhaustion, but overbought, okay, up here on the 4-hour. And the daily, probably not so much, right? The daily is still fine, around 58 on the RSI, perfectly fine in terms of the daily charts. But the shorter time scales are overbought. So we could see a pullback. We could see a little bit of a move back down for ETH. Maybe we come back down to back test this, this 1750 area even. All right, make a higher low there. So like maybe we come back down here. maybe we bounce and we go, right? That would make sense. Or we could even get a deeper retrace. You know, it doesn't have to just go to right here. It could be a little deeper. Could be come back down to the actual supports and go, right? All right, so hopefully that's helpful. So cake, what else do we want? So cake was the first one request here, and then palm. We're gonna cover cake BUSD. I actually bought some of this. All right, back here around this $10.45 area. Broke out of the triangle, and now we're actually looking like maybe a cup and handle, maybe pattern up here. Kind of a little bit unclear. For the moment, looks like maybe a bit of a pullback as well. All right. The 4 hour looks pretty good though. The 4 hour looking nice, right? And we are showing signs here on the 4 hour that we could see continuation, right? Oh, that looks good. And yeah, this is like a massive cup pattern, right? So this pennant broke out, and this is like maybe the handle continuation, right? That looks good. Good. So palm, what's that? Never heard of that. Is that not really sure what that is. Anyways, Fantom falling wedge breakout, still on track for a nice move to the upside. Might get some consolidation here first before the next leg up. All right, Bell. Oh, Bell looks like we covered this the other day on the stream. Nice parabola looking structure. You're breaking the top here, the top side of it. Got a nice breakout today. Right, you broke above the trend line there that I had drawn, and you're gonna probably continue to rally, right? So, you know, you're looking at about a 50% measured move from here on this break. So putting you close to that 550 area. And hopefully that's helpful. Cake and FTM we covered. ETH we covered. Holochain. Yeah, Holochain, man. This one's on the move today, man. Big time move today. Big time moves. Not really sure why either. Maybe just a technical breakout, or maybe they had some news. I don't know. I don't know anything about this this project, but big mover today. For sure, big mover. I don't even know if this is all the data on it. Okay. This music sucks. Hang on a second, guys. What do we got? Berlin's always good. Pretty good. Hey, Dex, my problem, man. No problem, man. All right. They have a patent. Okay. That's... Yeah, we can see 2.5 cents pretty fast, right? There's nothing here. The next real fib extension is right there on Holochain. All right. Filecoin, storage. Take a look at storage. Storage, like I said, about to break all-time highs. We called this out like last week around 90 cents. And here we are, we're about to break the all-time highs on storage, right? And so longer term targets on storage, once we break the all-time highs, are this $11 area and $20 area, right? Longer term targets. And then Filecoin. Yep, very nice parabola looking structure as well here. And we're looking at 274, this top wick for a breakout. Hey, Crypto Greg, awesome, man. Great work. Great job. Yeah, so storage, or not storage, Filecoin, once it breaks this 154 area, we're looking at the next fib extension here around this 200 area, and on up to the all-time high wick here at 275. And once you break that, man, you're looking at 570, 834s, 1440s. All right, you're probably gonna get some consolidation periods in between these in between these run-ups, but ultimately I think you're gonna get to these targets towards the end of the run. All right. API3 was on the move today, guys. That was another one that I actually was lucky to get early on, around this $1.33 area when it first came out on Uniswap. All right, so I've been in this one for quite some time, and this, in my opinion, looks very nice. Looks very nice. Now you can see the parabola structure here that it's in. It's I don't think that this is anywhere close to being done its run. In fact, it's probably just starting its major run, right? I think long term, this project has some legs. It's an Oracle token, just like Link, right? Probably a lot more upside with this because it's newer, and not many people know about it just yet. So once you break this top side here, this 850 area, you're looking at 10 bucks, 11.60s, and $13. All right. We're gonna look at Cardano. A little update on our swing trade here. Okay. Yeah, we're getting to it, brother. We're getting to it. So we got this breakout, nice little cup continuation here on 88. Looks like we're going to get a continuation back up to the $1.26 area, and ultimately back up to the all-time highs around this $1.40 area. And once we break that, well, you guys already know the major targets are major, like, psychological targets, like $2, $3, $2.50. Paulo Moto, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. Yeah. I don't know, man. I was getting some feedback that I wasn't covering, Bitcoin or Ethereum long enough. I was just going into altcoins too fast, and also maybe the streams were too long. I don't know. I don't think they're too long. I think 1 hour is about right. And you're always going to get people that are going to give that type of feedback, but you know what? We want that feedback because we're here for you guys, and without you guys, the channel is worthless. Like, it doesn't mean anything. If nobody's watching what I'm doing, then what's the point, right? I'm not impacting anybody. So anyways, yeah, 88 looks still pretty good. Looks good. We're probably going to get a continuation here soon. It's just consolidating. I will say the weekly is pretty extended. We're at 86 on the RSI. All right, so guys, just definitely note that this is still extended. The monthly is also extended, 88 on the RSI. All right. But yeah, I guess it doesn't really matter. It can stay overbought. We're in really super bullish conditions. So, but yeah, we could get some more consolidation before we get a major move. You know how these go. All right, guys. So maybe some more consolidation before continuation. The daily is suggesting we're going to see this move coming shortly, right? Negative momentum is weaning here on the daily. And we're above zero here on the MACD, so we're showing this this squeeze here. Okay, rep airdrop. I know nothing about that. I'm so sorry, Annie. Yeah, we can check ETH again. Let's go back to it. Sure. We're still holding in the pattern, like I said before. Excuse me. Like I said before, still in the pattern. We could see a bit of a pullback. We're getting close to that red band area. And yeah, we'll see what happens when we get up to this 1863 area. This seems to be a problem area so far. But we made a low and a higher low, and we're trying to rally here. We got to break. We really got to break this 1885 area. We literally just covered Holochain. I said it could go up to like that 2.5 cent area. Pushing it right now. Pushing it right now. That's up. Okay. And ultimately, Ethereum's got to break this 1940 area, right? I mean, once we do that, then we're talking about new all-time highs. We're talking about a major breakout. We're talking about getting to these levels, these $2,000 and $3,000 levels. All right. Yeah, so I'm still liking what I'm seeing here on the Ethereum chart in terms of growth. All right, we can see that the daily RSI is at 60. You know, not overbought or oversold. We're in bullish territory. BE Pro, let's take a look at it. XTZ, let's take a look at that. Okay, yeah, so XTZ, you know, these daily charts are looking similar on a lot of different cryptos, but this actually looks really good. Like, we got this hidden bullish divergence coming in. We're just starting to create this positive momentum here on the daily. All right, but do note that we're coming up to this red band area. Right, every single time we get up to the red band areas, you see what happens, right? Red band area, get a drop off, but we could actually we could break above it. All right, this could go extremely bullish. We haven't seen Tezos really. I mean, we have seen it do make some nice upside, right? But we haven't really seen it majorly take off yet. So yeah, this could be one that definitely does do that. And we'd be looking at upside targets if we were to break out. Let's see. We did not look at CRV yet today. We can take a look at it for you. So if we break this resistance here, you know, just from the bottom of the triangle to the top of the triangle, we're looking at a 78% measured move. All right, so basically almost a double up in price, or almost a double up in price, right? So almost $8. Yes. CRV, what's up, Bobby? Yeah, CRV breaking out of the cup pattern here on the daily, right? We're saying, yep, I did call CVC, I think like last week or something. Yep, but I've been calling CVC. If you guys look at my TradingView profile, I called out CVC at like 14 cents. But anyways, yeah. So cup continuation pattern here on the daily, even on the weekly chart, you're showing it. And so we just broke this neckline yesterday. And it looks like we're just getting a pullback, right? So we had this nice 3-bar play. And what we want to see is this close, you know, somewhere around this 335 area. Or maybe another continuation candle, right? Okay. The CRV looks good. Just making a back test right now. CVC we can look at. Yeah, let's look at CVC. Well, there it is. CVC is still in the ascending triangle. Hasn't broke out of it just yet. The daily looking like it's ready to rock, right? We We had this negative momentum cross bullish here, which is exactly what you want to see. Got the cross up here on the 29th, so yesterday, and we're getting this. We're gonna get this breakout, man. We're gonna get this breakout. Looking at about 100, looks like 117% measured move, man. That's major. That's a major move, right? Pretty epic for CBC there. B Pro and Reef. Yeah, we can look at B Pro. Is B Pro a stuff? Oh, it's not a stuff. Look at B Pro. Take a look at it. Born, awesome, brother. Awesome. B Pro, you can see the consolidation getting tighter, right? That's good. That's good, yeah. So Stokes crossed up here on the 4-hour. We're teetering right on the 50 RSI on the 4-hour. So it's at a pretty critical spot here. If it can get some volume to push the price higher here, this would be the breakout area for it on the 4-hour. All right, you're going into a squeeze here on the bands, on the Bollinger Bands. So yeah, this could be an area. Could be an area where you do see maybe a reversal for it. Okay. Yeah, the 6-hour looking really nice. Right, you guys see that? Low, higher low. It is. I think it is a good entry, yeah. If not, if you don't break out here, you know, you could come back down to the bottom and maybe even drop out of it for a second and then come back in and rip out. So like these patterns can fake you out. So just, you know, just be cognizant of what these patterns are and what they do, you know. Okay. So if we don't break out here, you know, we could trade sideways for a bit, maybe dip below it and then break out. Okay. So NEM, thank you Moon Girl for the coffee. What's this? Oh, I also need my other pills too. All right, NEM, let's get to it. Yeah, so bottom of the green band territory, we already know that this is a good long opportunity area, right? Had this big move down, obviously after that airdrop. I think we were talking about this the other day when it was down here like 34 cents, and how it could be a nice a nice buying opportunity. Got a 5K long on Bitcoin liquidation at 1650. What do I think? Liquidation at 1650? I don't think we're going to $1,600, man. So I think you're probably okay. Yeah. Oh, Ether. 1650. That's pretty tight, man. Yeah, I don't know. That's pretty tight, man. You should maybe use less leverage or something. Yeah, so NEM looks like it just crossed up on momentum. We're looking at, we're still in bearish territory here at around 40, 42, 43 on the daily. Yeah, so this is like, you know, you could get a squeeze up here, right? We haven't looked at Ava yet. We can take a look at it. Pundi and Sushi we got to look at too. And yeah, we looked at B Pro, it was good. My prediction on hot expires in 10 minutes. Why is that? That's so. Why is that? Anyways, back to NEM here. Sorry, I'm a little distracted. I'm also kind of tired today. So yeah, dude, we'll get to Pundi here in a minute, man. And we'll do BNB, all right? So this definitely looks like it has room, okay? At least to the top of the supply line, like 45. Yeah, 45 cents, 382 fib extension once you get above this area here, I would say. And then maybe if you do really get the momentum to break out, you're looking at 120% move. And so if you do that, you're looking at you know, back to the all-time highs. All right, that's NEM. But NEM looks good. I think you can get a nice move out of that. Yeah. We're gonna look at BNB. That was actually requested before. I just forgot about it. Yeah, perfect. So BNB breaking out of the triangle here, 125% measured move on up to like $600. All right, so yeah, BNB looking nice. Nice little breakout here. We got Pundi.
I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian curtains out to be my lady only. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian curtains out to be my lady only. I asked you for the time. You got the damn right.
So Pundi's kind of like straight up, right? All right. Yeah, this candle maybe doji-ish looking. Okay, just be careful. All right, on the weekly on Pundi, you could get a pullback. All right, could get a pullback on Pundi. You're starting to get this pullback here, and you got this doji candle here. I mean, yeah, this doesn't look too good, man. You might get some movement down. Okay. Right, yeah, and we're also showing that divergence here on the daily. You're most likely going to get a move down here on day. KMD, sure. I haven't looked at this one in a while. Komodo. Actually, I don't even think I've charted it. Nice. Wow, I mean, Komodo looks really good here. And what do we got here, guys? We've been talking about these types of patterns for quite some time. Well, they come up a lot on the stream because these they come up a lot on just come up a lot on the stream. That's a lot of what these coins are doing right now is making these types of patterns. And these are the inverse head and shoulders patterns. Even if they're sideways, doesn't matter. We got this breakout here. You guys can clearly see it. That it broke this resistance line here, right? And we had a major breakout. I mean, obviously I wasn't really watching this asset, but if I saw this, I definitely would have been like, oh no, wow, we got something major happening on this chart. Knees and toes, right? Yep. Guys, and another coin that nobody's really talking about right now is BuyDown, man. This one is this was called out in the alerts. I think that this thing is ready to rock. Nice cup pattern here, right? Cup continuation. Nobody's talking about this project at all, and I think this one is going to do really well as well. It's also kind of a smaller market cap token as well, right? SPI and VTH, no, we can cover them. Yep, let's get them. I'll take a look at VTHO also. So there's not too much data on this shopping.io. Never even heard of this shopping.io, but this looks cool. Sure. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah. So this looks good. I mean, you got like a flag and a cup pattern happening here on the hourly, and there's not, like I said, there's not really too much data, but this looks good. I mean, like, it's a new asset. Obviously, you know, you can buy products with crypto on it. Probably, definitely has a bright future, I would say. All right. Very new project, looks like. So. Yeah, you're holding in this upsloping channel. Alright, making this cup pattern here. That looks good. Might see definitely a continuation. Looks like you're going to see it. Alright, you're showing hidden bullish divergence here on the hourly. Okay. Get this move up. So VeChain, let's cover VeChain. I feel like we always cover VeChain on the streams lately. And yeah, I guess we didn't quite get this move up just yet, but it's just consolidating up here, guys. Just consolidation up here. So that's very bullish. We want to see that. We want to see consolidation up by resistance areas, okay? But yeah, we didn't quite stop making negative momentum. We started producing more negative momentum. That's why we got that further move down, further consolidation. So the stochastics now look like they might be ready to rock. All right. So yeah, VeChain does look good up here. All right. VTHO. So you guys can see this. We're towards in the middle of this range between the all-time high break to the 1272 fib extension. So we probably, like I said, we probably see some consolidation in this range, right, before we make a move to the 1272 fib extension, which is a, you know, a 50% move. And so we'll probably just consolidate here for a bit, maybe a couple weeks, maybe a week or two. You know, I don't know how long, but just look for signs of reversal, right? So thank you so much, Joko. Appreciate that. So yeah, you're coming back down to the support here. You're, like I said, you're kind of just consolidating in this range for now. All right, you might, you know, you could we probably see this as a downsloping channel, right? For now, and then you can draw the demand line here, or you have a demand line here, send this out. So you know if you break this demand line, you're probably going to maybe go further down, right? So just keep, be aware. I mean, the hourly looks oversold, so you could get a bounce here, right? Hourly looks oversold, which is perfect. You're right at the demand line. But perfect. You're going to get maybe another test up here. Maybe you break out. Perfect. But we don't know that. That's not for sure, right? Well, we know that we're oversold, and we know that we're going to get a bounce here. We could consolidate first before maybe getting a move, right? But yeah, overall bullish trend. We covered Holo before. We said we could get up to like that 0.025 area. Okay, but we're in the middle of it, so we might consolidate it here. Already made a 50% move. Oh, man. Crypto Greg, thank you so much again for the $5 super chat. I didn't see that. Let's do ANKR real quick. All right, so we didn't get the pullback yet, but I still think we're going to get it. We got up to this 19-cent area, 200% retrace area, and looks like you maybe you are consolidating up here nicely, all right? There was a, let's see. Yeah. I mean, you got some nice consolidation happening here right now. See this, right? This actually looks like you might even get a breakout right now. Even if it's a mini breakout, you'll get it. Yeah, I mean, you're showing triple MACD bullish divergence here. Okay. Very, very apparent here on the MACD. 1, 2, 3. I guess you could even call it 4, right? You got this little island here on the hourly. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, very nice. This looks very nice. Oh, Greg. 30% measured move. This is on an hourly time scale, but this could happen pretty soon, pretty shortly. We could actually maybe experience this while live on stream for another 15 minutes here, all right? Guys, there was a stock I called out today, Lemonade, in the paid alert service. I want to show you guys real quick. This was a paid alert service call out today at 12:19 p.m., $85 calls. Options, okay? I know this is off topic. I know this isn't something that you guys maybe are following, but I just wanted to see how it's doing. And as soon as I call this out, we're looking at about a few percentage points up already. But yeah, nice little falling wedge pattern here. That has been identified. All right. Forget how I chart. I think I charted on the 4-hour charts. Yeah, this looks nice, right? You're gonna get this nice breakout here. And NIO was another trade setup that was posted the other day that is nicely breaking out of its pattern right now. Got a nice move up here today. All right, anyways, guys, make sure you guys check that out, swingtradepros.com. Check out the alert service. Check out the indicators that we offer. If you're interested in the automated trading bots that we have the SAR script. This is always on and always active. About a 98.6% win rate on the SAR indicator. Make sure you guys check that out. Make sure you guys join the Discord. Smash a like up. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, if you like the content here on Swing Trade Pros. And make sure you guys tick the little bell to get all the updates here, all right? So, Forest. Is this a crypto? It looks like a crypto. The Forbidden Forest. Is this it, man? I don't know. But yeah, this looks like a nice little continuation pattern too. You're showing that hidden bullish divergence here. Right. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining the stream today. Again, make sure you guys smash that like button up. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And tick the little bell. And we will catch you guys in tomorrow's stream. Sorry, I'm really tired today, guys. Apologize for that. Make sure you guys join the Discord if you guys haven't done so already. You guys can feel free to message me. My name is Mr. Know-It-All, or any of the STP team or STP mods. We would love to help you guys in learning about what we have here at STP in the community. And make sure you guys check it out. That's all I got to say. And we'll catch you guys tomorrow.